Greetings everyone. So today I want to make a video to show you how you can make that disappearing sidebar in Windows 10 and don't disappear anymore when you need it. Okay, so sometime when you're in Windows 10 and depending on which window you have open, it might be a folder or it might be one of the settings windows open at the time, you're going to see the sidebar keep disappearing. It's not really disappearing, it's just shrinking down so you don't see it anymore. But sometimes it's hard for you to find out where it is and you have to keep moving your mouse around to find it. Just like I'm showing you in this example right now. Now, in order to make that stay permanently, you want to go down to the start bar and you want to go into settings. Once you get into settings, you want to go and find ease of access. Once you get into ease of access, you want to make sure you're on the display settings on the left sidebar. You want to scroll down and you want to click where it says automatic hide strobe bar in Windows. Once you turn off that button, all the sidebars are going to appear and they're never going to disappear or shrink down to where you can't see them anymore, where you have to move the mouse to make them reappear. So if that's been a pest for you, now you see the solution to the problem. Just turn it on and you don't have to worry about that sidebar disappearing, where you have to move the mouse in the correct position in order for the sidebar to reappear. All right, so I hope that video was helpful. I know it's a short one, but I just want to give you this quick tip. Thanks for taking the time for watching. Have a good one, and I'll see you next time.